So you start off by going onto Pinterest, and then after going onto Pinterest, you type in the image that you want to choose. I typed in Stitch because that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw easily. So after you choose your image, you click the little three dots and then put download image, and it'll automatically download it to your gallery. So after that, you go onto your Procreate app and you select your custom canvas. And then you go to the little tool, the actions tool, and you insert a photo. You click insert a photo and it'll show all the photos you have. And you just size up the image that the size you want it. And then you click the adjustments tool and you click opacity, and it'll give you the option to slide either left or right for the opacity level. And then after that, I'm adding a layer, and that's where you start doing your whole sketch. That's where you start tracing the whole image. So I'm going to add another layer, and in that layer, I am going to insert the same picture just as a reference. But the reference picture is just so you can remind yourself what colors the image had, or if you left off any little details that he had on his face. So now I'm going back to the layer where I traced my whole stitch, and I'm going to start coloring him. A tip that I can tell you guys is whenever you are tracing your stitch, try not to leave any gaps in between your line work so you're able to color him as easily as I'm doing right now. So I'm pretty much just dragging down the color that I want to that certain area. Like right now, I know I have a little gap because it sketched his belly and his back the same color. So I'm filling in that gap that I left, and now I'm able to separate the colors. So now I'm going to alpha lock the layer, and by doing that, it's going to be a lot easier to shadow him in and to add textures to his hairs.